Introducing the TyTek Medical 4 and 6-inch bandages. Simple and effective pressure dressings, providing hemorrhage control in pre-hospital emergency care situation. The bandages are vacuum sealed to minimize cubic space. Step 1. Open your bandage ready for use. Step 2. Open the bandage. Intermittent hook and loop prevents trauma bandage from unrolling during application. Our pressure dressings incorporate a non-stick pad affixed to the bandage, delivering a one-step fast application. Step 3. Additionally, instead of separate clips or tabs which can be easily lost, our pressure dressings have integrated clips at the end of the bandage to easily secure to the patient.